This is a speed test between the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the A18 Pro, which is a 3nm chipset, Apple GPU 6-core graphics with 8 gigs of RAM. Fresh out the box, this one came with iOS 18 and hopefully an update to iOS 18.1 with Apple Intelligence real soon. Versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This one has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a 4nm chipset with the Adreno 750, a nice and hefty 12 gigs of RAM. This one has Android 14 and One UI 6.1.1. And Samsung promises 7 major Android updates with this phone. Very nice. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. And let's go! iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra speed test. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out in a few seconds. And oh! As you just saw, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra just barely edges out the iPhone 16 Pro Max on the boot up. Wow, that was very close, very intense. Wow. And we are in. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over here. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. Gonna do this on the 16 Pro Max. As you can see, there is nothing in the background, and do the same thing here on the S24 Ultra. As you can see, no recently used apps. All apps, caches, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Let me know down below. Calculator. Very close. I'm gonna go ahead and input a simple calculation here and leave it there. Messages. Very close. Let me know down below. The camera. Very close again. Let me know down below. Go ahead and switch over to the front facing and we'll leave it right there. App Store and Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the S24. Amazon. I'm gonna give that to the S24. Go ahead and click on this one and we'll leave it right there. eBay. Give that to the S24. Go ahead and click on this shoe and we'll leave it right there. Snapchat. Ooh, that was a close one. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know down below. Kind of hard to tell in real life. Facebook. Give that to the 16 Pro Max. Instagram. Give that to the 16 Pro Max. Threads. Ooh, very close. Let me know down below. We do have some games. Angry Birds 2. Ooh, the iPhone is super quick. Wow. Okay. Will the S24 catch up? Oh man, the iPhone was super fast on this one. Wow. Man, that was hella fast on the iPhone. Whew. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see here. And the iPhone will take this one. The S24 Ultra, there you go. We'll tap to begin. iPhone is, again, a little bit faster on this step of the game. Sonic Boom. iPhone again, a little bit faster here. We'll play a little bit and we'll leave it right there. Subway Surf. Uh-oh, whoa. Okay, this one, I'll give it to the 16 Pro Max. Samsung was right there though. We'll tap to play. We'll leave it right there. Temple Run 2. Loading on both phones. Let's see here. Oh! And I think the S24 Ultra is ahead. We'll let this run. All right. And I'm gonna give this to the S24 Ultra. We'll play a little bit on both phones. And we'll leave it right there. And of course, we do have the PUBG. Okay, loading on the iPhone. Oh man, the iPhone is super fast. We're already in the game. Although I gotta say, I mean, the S24 Ultra, I mean, it was right on its heels. I mean, that's really not too far behind, and both phones are not slow by any stretch. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones here. So you can see everything is in the background. Now, just a quick, gentle reminder, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has 8 gigs of RAM, which on a side note, with the upcoming Apple Intelligence and only 8 gigs of RAM, well, I'm gonna have to trust Apple that they know what they're doing. I figured this phone will have at least, maybe like 10 or 12 gigs of RAM. So we'll see what happens with the Apple AI, But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and run through these apps again. We'll have a look and see if there's gonna be any stutters or anything like that. Now this one, the 16 Pro Max, went right into the game. This one, a little bit of a prompt, but it's not a reload, right? You can continue playing. So very nice on both. We do have the Subway Surf, and we can resume here in 3 seconds, and we're playing. Very nice. Sonic Boom. Same thing, we can resume here, as you can see. So that's nice on both. The Mario Run. And there we go, no issues on either phone. Angry Birds 2. And again, you can continue playing on either phone. Nice. Threads. Same place. Instagram. Same place. Facebook. No issues. Snapchat. Nice and, well, actually not nice and smooth. A little bit of a stutter there on the S24 Ultra. Not sure if that was a reload, but we'll take a note of that. eBay. Still went back to the shoe here. Amazon. Oh, the S24 Ultra, again, made that little stutter. So we'll see. Okay, the App Store and Play Store. Right into it. Nice. The camera. Ooh. S24 Ultra retained the front facing. This one, now I think there's a setting on this one, however, where it can remember to stay on the front facing camera. So this may just be a settings thing. All right, so you can take this one with a grain of salt on the iPhone. Messages. Nice and fast. Calculator. No worries. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple ice sheep rocking your brand spanking new iPhone 16 Pro Max? Did you get the iPhone 16 Pro? Are you rocking an iPhone 16 or the 16 Plus? Are you keeping your iPhone 15? Are you excited for the iOS 18.1 update with Apple Intelligence? Let me know down below. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know down below what you think about this phone, essentially 1 year later. This phone did come out earlier this year. Are you excited for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? It's nice that Samsung will give this phone 7 years of major Android updates. That's very nice. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this comparison in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.